Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin here, and in today's video, I want to give you guys a 5-month update on this 2000 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport, also known as the GF8. And within the 5 months, I have to say, I love it. I've done quite a bit of driving on this vehicle. It's a pretty good vehicle. I really do, in fact, love it. I still have the Star Wars license plate on there. As you can see right there, I've just recently added on the Gran Turismo window sticker and all that. It looks really good, actually. Believe it or not, that's the game I grew up. That's the game I grew up with. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have gone into cars or anything like that. But yeah, so as you can see, I just recently put on some new wheels and some tire paint and all that. Kind of messed up on the wheels a little bit, but hey, I'm not exactly good with wheel painting anyway, so who gives a shit. Still have to get rid of that. I haven't done anything with this yet. I am gonna order some touch-up paint next week, and I'm also gonna end up buying perhaps maybe one of these. Like, not one of these, but it's not gonna be an OEM, but it's going to be like an aftermarket, like Rally WRX rally car mirrors. I might just end up ordering one of those just to replace these. Now, this is a power mirror assembly, so the mirrors do move with a switch on the inside. So I might end up just, if it doesn't have that feature, I'll just adjust them by myself and leave it as is. Still have that shitty ass Bondo there. Car's really good. I tried taking it to the alignment shop, and apparently they said that, oh, we can't align it for you because the outer tie rods are frozen up. And they wasn't kidding. They actually were frozen in place. That's why, this has more toe-in camber. Can't really see it from here. You can see that it's like more toe-in camber. The outside's more of a toe out camber. So I'm gonna end up getting that fixed at some point. And of course, there's always these rusty parts right here. I might just end up cutting this whole fender out, if anything. A lot of rust. Rusty outside brake drum, because that's just the way it is. This car is a couple rough in a couple spots, but it's pretty good, actually. Really like the car for what it is. I wish this car came with a 5-speed manual, because that would be great. But heck, an automatic is fine too. I'll just swap out if I have the chance or money or time. I'll just swap transmissions after this transmission blows up or something like that. I don't know. I'll just try and maintain it, whatever. Oh, and there's one more thing I forgot to mention. This carpet still smells like dog hair. So before I go into work today or whatever, I'm gonna try my best to rip this whole carpet out. Try my best, but as you can see, the dog hair is just embedded within it. So that's a no-go. I'm gonna end up, just ripping the carpet out. It's gonna be a bit of a pain, but it has to be done either way. So, just a little detail and little information I'm gonna tell you guys. Might end up making a video on that. If anything, that excruciating process of ripping the carpet out of your car is certainly not easy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like it, give it a like. If you want to subscribe to me, go ahead and subscribe. Also, follow my Instagram if you haven't. I got good amount of followers, but followers doesn't matter to me. It's the quality of the content that matters. Thank you and have a good day.